My co-founder, Carl Pigeon, and I have been passionate about transportation for a really long time. We used to work on drones for various applications like inspection, surveying, and mapping. But drones, even though they had a lot of really amazing technology inside them, were still quite limited. We knew that it was going to take full-size aircrafts to be able to impact transportation at scale. That's the reason we started Ribbit. There are about 120 communities all across the north that lack year-round road access. A lot of critical supplies, including perishable foods, medical supplies, construction materials, everything gets flown in by air. We hope to make transportation more available and more accessible to everybody, including those in the hardest to reach areas around the world, and to look at what is the impact that transportation could have if it was made more accessible. Funding from Mitacs Accelerate gave me a really unique opportunity to make a difference and kind of getting a sense of what the time and resources required look like to solve that problem. I would love to see more Canadian companies contribute to the ecosystem, build the ecosystem here, and really continue to grow this legacy of innovation that Canada already has.